What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Let's quickly go over the price action on volatility 51s today. So new week and new trading day today. So traded up, took out the previous daily high right here. Traded down, didn't quite make it to the daily low, but pretty indecisive move. So I'm expecting us to continue higher now. Now that we had a little pullback, feel some of this imbalance here and a healthy retracement on the weekly candle. So that is what the daily candle closed out like. Going over to the 4-hour, this is what it looked like. Traded down, back up. So a bit of a choppy price action here. And this is what the daily look like. So this is the daily candle. Indecisive, but we close bullish slightly. So let's go over the opportunities of today. So we opened here after pushing up. So let me look at how we ended yesterday. So we sold off yesterday, found a little buy model here, took out the liquidity, and we ran for the latter part of the session going into the new day, which started right around here. So we traded up, came back down. Where's this thing? Traded up, came back down, formed this reversal here, took the liquidity before rolling over. Nice sell opportunity there, another one there, another little buy there, and another buy there from that zone. So these were some decent scalps before we had a decent sell off there, and then come down into this little level before we retrace, trade up to there, and then we had a nice little sell off coming down to here. So we sold off and pretty much stayed inside this range for the entirety of the day. Traded back down into this little fair value gap before we had a next little rally. So this was a nice little sell off too. Then we had this one pushing up to here, sold from this supply zone, came all the way down to here, then we bounced from this little one here, consolidated, ran back up to this fair value gap, came back down before we bounce again like that, and that's how we ended the day. So pretty indecisive day. There were some opportunities to capitalize on nevertheless, and that's how we ended the day. So expecting us now to run up, continuing. We could sell off some more, to be honest. When I look at the price action, let me look at the 4-hour. We could come back down here, and the fact that we ran the previous daily high without closing up here, this could be indication of some weakness. So we could still trade back down. Let me see what the daily looks like. So we're still in premium price here. So we could still come down and farm some more structure. Come down to this little gap here, this little rejection block before coming higher. And yeah, so we could go either way, but I'm expecting us to slowly trickle back to the highs, and that is what I'm expecting this week. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.